Hello traders, we will touch on all the subtleties of Forex one by one. In this video, I will explain one of my favorite winning techniques in full detail. The name of the indicator is alligator. We're throwing the indicator out of here. You can adjust the colors as you want from the color section. But the most important part is the parameters part. You should make the values here the same and press OK. I'm canceling because it's already set mine. We are on the 1-hour chart and the euro-dollar pair. Let's come to our rules for entering the trade. If the white line crosses the other two lines up direction, we buy. If it crosses down direction, we sell. As you can see, we will buy here. We do not trade on the candle. Where the white line crosses the other two lines, we trade on second candle. Set to 100 points as stop loss. We exit the trade when white crosses the first line. We do not open trade between 23 to 8, and if there is ongoing trade, we close the trade at the opening price at 23. Let's see how many points we get profit. Now let's move on to the next trade. I'm passing it because the trade here coincides with 23 to 8. There are 3 trades here. Let's see how many points we get profit. I'm passing it because the trade here coincides with 23 to 8. As you can see, we will buy here. Let's see how many points we get profit. In today's video, I explained my strategy that I used in the alligator indicator, which has a high win rate. Subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell and don't forget to like the video.